John Veloso in the KTuned Acura NSX GT3.
That's such a cool car.
Looks like it's right at home here at Watkins Glen. Probably done lots of laps here, if I had to guess.
Yeah, you factor in testing that the IMSA teams have done through the years. Yeah, they've done way more than the 6 hours of racing alone.
Veloso into the inner loop again, cutting it so close to that wall on entry. Yeah, lots of electronics on board this car. Pretty trick systems on board the GT3 machinery. And that's what you get when you have, you know, international development from manufacturers to basically produce a product designed to go road racing at a very high level to that GT3 specification.
Modern GT machines have strayed further and further away from the road car underpinnings and are proper race machines. The amount of downforce that they carry nowadays, it's not just mechanical grip that you rely on, it's understanding the aero platform.
But, you know, John, he just wants to have fun. You know, has KTuned supporting a number of cars here in the paddock, but just bought this car to have a blast and to represent KTuned.
They've got 2 of them as well, right? Have they sold the other one yet?
I think they were trying to. I'm not sure if it's actually sold yet, but best time so far of the weekend is a 158.502 for Veloso.